Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20 volt cordless caulking gun from Parkside. The model PKPA 20LI-A1. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. One battery series, 100 devices. Feed speed from 0 to 28 mm per second. Compressive force 5000 N. Recommended battery 20 volt 2 ampere hours with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. That is a huge case. And of course included we have the manual, and here you can have your charger, your battery, second battery. Right now we have only the tool. Quite heavy, but I like it. Soft elements around here. You can use it with one hand. I like the design. Lock and unlock. Unlock. Press the trigger. We have the cartridge sleeve here. You can rotate that and remove if that is necessary. Very easy to install and rotate 360 degrees. We have the push rod here. Press this button and pull. And that's how you can pull the handle. Press again if you want. So easy. Here it is, the rotary knob for the adjustable speed from 1 to 6. Soft elements and at the switch. LED working light here at the front. Just love it. And of course you can use the 2 ampere hours or 4 ampere hours regular batteries, or the professional 4 ampere hours or 8 ampere hours. I have only professional batteries, 4 ampere hours. Pull, press the button and pull, otherwise you can pull. It is speed level 1, LED working light. So speed level 1, release, is going forward. Releasing, it goes backward. Let's go to the speed 2. Forward, and then a few millimeters goes backward. 3, 4, 5 and 6, the maximum, and back. Pull again. Speed 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Just love it. So let's install the cartridge. No need to remove the cartridge sleeve. Press that, press this button and it locks. So let's start with speed 1. Nice. 2. And goes back again. 3. Whoa! Too much. It depends what you want to do. 4. Okay. I think I want a new cartridge. And 5. Okay. 6. Wow. And this is the end for this cartridge. Amazing. I think definitely I will use it with a speed 1 or 2. Of course it depends the application always, but definitely with the speed 1 and 2 you can manage, you can control better this tool. Just love it. Now I would like to replace the cartridge and try with a new cartridge. This has a white hole. Let's try with a new smaller hole. Lock it and trying with the first speed. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. We can see we have some drops. It depends the quality of the cartridge sometimes. Now, because it has a smaller hole, we can see the differences between these two. And of course, if you go faster with your hand, the line will be thinner. Let's try with the second. Okay, third. Okay, enough. 4. Wow. 5. My God. And 6. Let's do it again. Too much. Okay. It stops automatically. Definitely I will use the first and second speed. Yep, without a doubt. Work anywhere without cord in the way, no more uneven or messy sealant lines, more control over your work, use it for multiple projects. Ensure smooth and consistent application with 20-volt motor. Is a powerful and efficient tool designed to make sealing, adhesive application and caulking tasks easier and more precise. With its cordless design, adjustable speed control and high dispensing force, it is perfect for both DIYers and professionals working on home improvement, construction and renovation projects. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tool reviews, DIY projects and hands-on demos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay precise, stay efficient, and I'll see you in the next video.